How to hide repost on TikTok. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application TikTok. Enter your login credential and make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this For You page. Now what you want to do is scroll down and move into any of the video that you want to repost. Let's say you want to repost this video. Simply click on the share icon and then click on repost. Once the video has been reposted, head over to your profile at the bottom right corner. And then you want to click on this 3 horizontal line at the top right corner. Head over to settings and privacy. Move into account. So in any of the settings page, there is no any option or the feature where you can hide your repost directly. So in order to hide the repost, what you want to do is simply switch your account to private account. Tap on switch anyway. Now toggle on this button private account. Now the people who doesn't follow you won't be able to see your repost. Only the people who you choose to view your post will only be able to see your repost. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can hide your repost on TikTok. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.